Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Today, we're taking a close look at the Holy Stone HS900 drone, a popular model that promises great features at a wallet-friendly price. But is it really worth buying? Whether you're new to drones or just want a budget option, stay with me. We'll unbox it, test its features, and give you the honest truth. So, without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. Number 1. Unboxing experience. The moment you open the box, you notice how carefully the drone is packed. The HS900 sits safely inside foam padding, ensuring it won't get damaged during shipping. This is especially important because drones are delicate devices that need protection. Alongside the drone itself, you get a remote controller, spare propellers, a charger, and a user-friendly instruction manual. Holy Stone makes sure everything is neatly organized. There are no missing parts or tangled cables to slow you down. I really like that they include extra propellers. For beginners, crashes are almost inevitable, so having spares right out of the box is a smart move. The charger has the right cables, so you don't have to hunt for anything extra. Overall, this unboxing experience feels thoughtful and professional, which sets a positive tone for what's inside. Number 2. Design and build quality. Next up, the design and build quality. The HS900 has a modern, sleek look with a sturdy plastic body. When you hold it, it feels light but tough enough to handle outdoor flying. This balance is important because you want a drone that's easy to carry but won't break easily if it bumps into something. One feature I really appreciate is the foldable arms. They make the drone compact and easy to carry in a backpack or a small case. The size isn't too big, so flying it in parks or open spaces feels comfortable and manageable. The black and silver color scheme gives it a professional look, not like a cheap toy. It's clear Holy Stone put thought into the build quality to match the price. This drone feels reliable and ready for regular use. Number 3. Camera performance. Now, let's talk about the camera. A major reason many people choose the HS900. It comes equipped with a 4K camera that captures sharp photos and records smooth, high-quality videos. You can even adjust the camera angle remotely from the controller, which makes it easy to get different views without having to land the drone and change it manually. The photos come out bright and colorful, perfect for sharing on social media or personal projects. The video stabilization does a pretty good job reducing shakiness, though it's not quite as smooth as some high-end drones with professional gimbals. But for casual filming and fun, this camera quality is impressive, especially at this price point. If you want a drone mostly for photography and videography, this one definitely delivers good results. Number 4. Flight features and battery life. Flying the HS900 is easy and enjoyable, even for beginners. Thanks to its built-in GPS, the drone can hover steadily in one spot, even with light wind. This helps you take clear photos and videos without worrying about drifting. The remote control allows flights up to 300 to 400 meters, giving plenty of space to explore and capture wide shots. The controller buttons are simple and user-friendly, so you won't get confused mid-flight. It also has smart modes like Follow Me, which makes the drone follow your movements automatically. These features add safety and convenience, especially for new pilots. Battery life is about 15 minutes per charge, typical for this price range. You can buy extra batteries for longer flights. Charging takes 2 to 3 hours, so planning ahead is wise. Actual flight time varies with how you fly and weather conditions. Number 5. Ease of use and value for money. The HS900 is very beginner-friendly. Features like altitude hold help keep the drone stable in the air, so controlling it is less stressful. One key takeoff and landing make it easy to get started and finish your flight safely without complicated steps. The instruction manual is clear and simple, helping you get flying quickly. The drone responds well and is quick to follow your commands, which builds confidence if this is your first drone. When it comes to value, the Holy Stone HS900 really stands out. It offers many features typically found in more expensive drones, like the 4K camera, foldable design, GPS flight modes, and easy controls, all at a price that won't break the bank. So, if you're a hobbyist or beginner looking for a quality drone that's affordable, the HS900 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching our Holy Stone HS900 review and unboxing. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and exciting tech content. Stay ahead with the pulse of tech.